Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, so you guys can probably hear me. Um, let's see, wait. If there's anybody, I don't think there will be anybody right now. Okay, so today we are going to work on our project, which was framework, and let's see, and okay, so let me check how is my voice right now. Okay, it's fine. First I need to add a thumbnail. I forgot to add it. So, okay, so it is private, I think. Okay, no, 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 it's not private. It's not. Hmm. Why it's not showing? Let me check. Uh, Okay, so it's now fine, I think. So basically today I'm going to live stream on both of the devices, which is mobile and computer, to make sure that I get the most reach. So let's start. So today we are going to first let's check Bridge Mind with Discord and what are they talking about right now. Let's see. Eh, Okay, personal preference. What are they talking about? This is Slow Parts, Frontier Frame AI. Okay, this looks good. Not bad. This looks good. Hmm. Okay, I made this for WIP. I think WIP means I forgot. WIP means I don't I don't know. Let's see. It's fine. Codex will improve if in 4 years Claude is if in 4 years Claude is still a top dog, then I will use Claude again. Okay. I think Codex will be the top player because it's open source and people can contribute, and Claude Code will be just like a closed source, which is not bad, but still, I think open source is better for Codex CLI or TUI. Okay, yeah, and don't post looking for opinions if you can take. So let me post on X live right now. Maybe should I do or not? Let's. Who cares? Let's do. Hmm. So let's work on FrameWord. FrameWord. If you don't know, basically it hides your all sensitive data, which is very important for you. For example, Gmail, phone, and phone numbers, and like etc. So I'm trying to build it. Uh, using Rust to make sure it is really optimized. And let's see. So we are going to use Hermes. Hermes, if you don't know, it is the best. I think it is the best alternative of OpenClaw. You know, Hermes is better than OpenClaw right now. I think so. And OpenClaw, you can host Hermes also in any place. So let's. I have an idea. Let me think about it. Hmm. So let's see, let's work on this project, project. So this is framework Rust. Let's see. So I gave it prompt yesterday, or like 2 days ago, and let's work on this. So what work is done? How much work is done? How much work is done actually? And there's one more project which is Buildcast, and we are also working on it. Let's work on burn run dev. So I'm running it, and let's open it, and let me show you the UI if anyone is there. Let me add the thumbnail. I forgot one more time. Oh yeah. Also, let's check some other YouTubers which who are live streaming right now. So Ronnie is not live streaming. Let's see. Who is this? Okay, Tech Friend AJ is not live right now, I think. Okay, yes, he's not. And let's see. Tech Builder Kash, is he live? No. Paradex, nope. Tommy, nope. Who is live? Okay, Max Blade is live. Let's see.
Hey, are you ready for DeepSeek V4GA?
V4GA.
I hope you're kidding. I
hope
hope
you're
that you're
kidding.
kidding. I just want one day with no model being released. That's all I want. That's the only thing that I want. Here, watch. I'll get some
39K
new viewers. I'll go find one.
revenue on whatever. And
Max, when
39
you talk, it low-key
likes.
vibrates my
That's
legs, and it's helping this bowel
good.
movement. Okay. Felipe is here!
Okay, so he is using Cloud Code.
Nate says,
Okay, yeah,
I
yeah,
can't
this is
possibly
Cloud Code.
imagine what I would say in game. I've
Cloud
heard
Code.
what you say in game. I've heard it very much. I've heard it very, very much. My mom says, we say worse stuff than you. That is true. Xbot that posts the results per game. Oh my God. Guys, sometimes like the universe delivers an idea to me, right? Like I wake up with the idea. I think that the aliens reach out to me. I wake up with an idea, okay? I swear to you, this is what fucking happens, okay? I can see you guys checking out. I need you guys to wake up, lock the
Let's
fuck in, and
Jack
be here
X
for 1
also.
second.
What is their
Just 1 second.
have been cooking? What are guys cooking?
The aliens
so,
deliver an
$100,000
idea to me,
in
right?
bounty.
Like this
Thanks,
lobby system with the
GitHub
games and all
security. Hacker
that. And then I give it
GitHub.
to you
Oh,
guys.
That's
And I think a
oh.
few of you are aliens. That's the only thing that
2
makes
years.
sense.
I partnered
And then
with a
together,
creator and we
we
launched
develop these
Rid-
ideas. You know what I
Rid
mean?
AI.
Like it's
The
almost like
domain
we're in a little
alone was
sparring match.
47K.
Like I'm guessing that probably
14K on Monday,
75% of you guys are
90K
human
in 1
beings,
month.
25%
Currently
are
around
aliens.
65K
We have this sparring
MMR.
match together. We're going
MRR.
back and forth on ideas like, right?
Featured
I'm like,
on HBO.
what if we do this?
What is
What if we do
HBO?
that? Bang, bang, bang,
Let's see.
bang. We
I
ship
was
it.
22.
We
running
make-
the product side from Bangalore. We are now formally open to
We make $40,000.
acquisition,
right?
conversation.
It's only a
serious
matter of
inquiries
time
only.
before
Okay, PR.
like our next idea
at
goes to we make
red.ai.
$100,000. Our next
Let's
idea
see.
goes to we
Kiwi
make
Gateway has
millions
arrived
of
and its
dollars.
most powerful model
Just
ever.
think
Of course,
about the
yeah.
streaming
Not-
facility
not the
I'll be
most
in
powerful,
when
but
we are making
the most
millions of
powerful
dollars.
open source model.
The
Yeah, ever.
lights, the staff.
Let's see what is this.
The
Hi
espresso
everyone, I am
shots.
Aman and I am founding engineer at T-Center.
I don't know,
I don't know how
guys.
to pronounce
I don't know.
it if I am correct. YC
I don't know why
season
me
26
and you
about
were
me. Computer
explicitly
science,
chosen for this
VIT
task,
Bhopal,
for this
data
role,
science, IT,
but it
IIT
is the weight that we
Madras.
bear.
Dropped out. Fun
and
fact,
it's
I
what
am
we must
mastering
do.
at I don't know how to say it.
It's the way we bear it. It's what we
It's
must do.
Gemini who Gemini is very trash model. It's
I'm
not
deaf.
even,
Can you make
um,
live caption this?
I think it's
I'm also
like,
extremely deaf.
how
I'm
can I
very
say
deaf.
it?
Is there a
Let
way
me
I
ask
can do
AI.
live captioning? Is that
How
a
can I
thing that I
say,
can do, guys? Because I would 100% turn that on for you.
that
I can't even
if a
watch TV
model
without live captions.
is bad from the
You guys can
previous
only imagine
succeeder.
why I'm deaf.
Not, I mean like current succeeder. Let me think about it.
You guys can
If the
only
current
possibly imagine.
succeeder of this model, but it
Judging
is
by-
not better. So
Anyways.
what? How can I say it?
This is for the
the current
extension layer
succeeder.
that we're building.
How can
in
I
process native plugins
explain
are
in
already voted
advance?
by your own entitlements file. Shipped CNVS keeps library
current,
validation on purpose.
current
Disabling it
suc-
would let malware inject into CNVS. Not good. Not good.
Okay, no, I think
Inherit
I'm
your
wrong.
inherit your mic screen automation permissions. Not
Current
good.
Model.
But child processes are exempt. No entitlement change needed for a sub-process model. You know, we're gonna have to bring in a Chinese model to do a security deep dive on this whole build out, because it's absolutely right that like we need to make sure that this is bulletproof. Brandon's thing is extension kit, and it's a trap. Brandon, you trapped us. Are you kidding me? It does give Sandbox out-of-process extensions rendering live Swift UI into your window, but every extension must ship inside a notarized wrapper app, so every author needs a
How can I explain
$99
in
Apple
advance
account.
current model,
Yeah, we can't
current
have
model
that.
which
I
is
can't have that, Brandon.
current latest
Okay,
model,
you're still going to be head of
latest
go-to-market.
model, which is worse
In-process
than
native plugins are already
previous
vetoed by your own entitlements file.
model in
Every
advance.
magical store, Raycast, Zed, Obsidian, uses the same pipeline, and it's runtime agnostic. You have a landmine. The node decoder maps unknown kinds to markdown, so a canvas open with
The
an
latest
extension would
model appears
silently
to be
convert and
regression.
resave
Yeah,
those nodes
regression
must
one.
fix before any
That's what I
extension
want,
ships.
rather than an improvement, as it
All right, the
performs
recommendation
worse than
Raycast, but
procedure-
Swift on your existing Rails.
predecessor.
An extension is an
predecessor.
SPM
server
package
important
against a
areas.
small canvas kit.
The latest model
SDK.
appears to be in
It
regression
runs as
rather
a
than an
crash
improvement,
isolated
as it
subprocess
performs
and
worse
describes
than
its
its
UI as a
predecessor.
declarative
what
tree
I'm
that
thinking.
Canvas renders as real Swift UI
Predecessor.
inside
No,
standard node Chrome. So
predecessor.
community
in
nodes get
server
themes,
important
glass, auras,
areas. Despite
and
being the newest
persistence for
release,
free and
the
can't
current
be ugly.
model represents a
Two modes
measurable
nobody else can
performance
copy.
regression.
Extension manifest
compared to the
can
previous
declare
generation.
verbs that bridge into tool spec, so
Good.
agents can
Not bad.
can drive community nodes, and the extension missing placeholder card makes shared canvases
So
themselves
let's start
the distribution
building our
vector.
project. First, let's see. Setup form. What
This
is
canvas uses
uh,
Pomodoro.
Why
Install?
did,
Question
why
mark.
did it create this? I don't understand.
WASM in
So
Swift is
I'm
this is
thinking to
crazy.
use,
This is this, I'm not gonna
which
lie.
model
This is a
should we
little
use?
bit thick for me. This is
Luna,
beyond me. I
Terra,
don't know. I don't
or
know if
Soul. I don't.
you guys
I
are
don't
locked
think
in on
Soul
this.
is.
This song. What is it? Title, please. Okay, this
I don't
is
think I should use
This is a
Soul as
playlist
it
called
is.
Melodic Techno
tune,
2026.
like, I
Deep,
don't know how to
emotional, and
explain it,
progressive
but yeah,
set,
it is
driving
like-
focus mix.
I don't know. Ignore. Okay, so let's see.
All right, all right,
Hmm.
all right. You know, I'm gonna straight up ask it. Okay, where do we go from here? And give me an ultra brief. Give me a bro to bro summary of what we are going to do. This is some heavy shit. This is some heavy shit. I love your recommendation. I love it.
Okay, so
Raycast but
this
Swift
is
on your
will
existing
cost
Rails.
E2E
I love the idea of the
E2E
SPM
means
package and
the,
the
like,
Canvas
testing
kit.
by,
I want to call it Canvas kit. That's
Playwright, I think,
unbelievable.
Open
SDK.
control.
I think that's
timer,
perfect in every way.
mark
Perfect,
complete,
perfect,
active
perfect.
task,
I
focus,
like the idea
standard.
of the agents and
Let's start music. Let's also start the music. Fast controls, bug fix, decision, shift, verified, highlight, question, no, fog mode, microphone, OBS connection, overlay. This is kind of boring, but test and start. So first, what you need to do is what you need to do is that the first section, which is build car session test, is taking too much space as the session ID and the timer 0 out of 0 question handled, and the standard focus button looks really uh, wait, is not visually what I'm saying. Wait. It's really not clean. So you need to make sure that it actually looks good, and it is scattered and doesn't looks great. Okay, now let's test what was the prompt. What is this? What is this? What? Okay, so um, let's say let's prompt it. Basically, the main section which is at the top, which is build task session test, is and the session ID and the timer 0 by 0 questions handled is in one line and doesn't looks exactly good, and the standard focus button also is at random place, so it has no hierarchy. What how can we explain UI? How can we explain UI UX in depth? Start with the product core. For Buildcast is a live stream operation tool for developers and founders. It it interface should help the streamer understand the current stream state, manage tasks, and mark important movements, monitor audience activity, and access critical controls quickly without losing focus. I mean, separate UI UX, typography, colors, buttons, spacing, cards, icons, borders, shadows, visual hierarchy. UX means how the interface works, how quickly user understands it, where they click, whether controls are easy to find, whether information is duplicated, whether label makes sense, whether action feels predictable, whether the workflow is efficient. A design can have good UI but not bad UX. Okay. Explain information. Hi, hi. How can we pronounce it? Let me ask. I wait. It's difficult. Pronunciation. Uh, what is this?
Hierarchy. 43 beats. I think the easiest way to say it is hierarchy. Hierarchy. You can also say hierarchy. Hierarchy. But I think hierarchy is easier than hierarchy. Give it a try. Hierarchy, a ranking of people by authority, has 3 beats. I think the easiest way to say it is hierarchy. Hierarchy. You can also.
Okay. Let's see. So Ronnie is live right now, I think. I think so. So let's see what is this. Bro.
ठीक है भाइयों, ठीक है. Planning perfect Goa adventure. पहले वाला ही अच्छा लग रहा था यार. This is not looking that good. बट देख ले एक बार. हाँ अभी थोड़ा ये ठीक लग रहा है. इसकी जगह तू मैनुअल अपना लोगो लगा सकता है खुद का लाके. लाइक खुद का लाके इन द सेंस कि खुद का लोगो बना के या ऐसा कुछ करके वो डाल सकता है, वो लगा सकता है इसकी जगह. ठीक है, इमेज लगा सकता है इस लोगो की जगह. ये जो इमोजी लगाया ना, इमोजी की जगह. ठीक है. हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो भाइयों. रॉनी टीम प्रोजेक्ट करता तो ना. ठीक, टीम प्रोजेक्ट का देखते हैं. बस ये दो जो प्रोजेक्ट है ना मेरे, उसको खत्म करने दो अब. ओके डन. आई विल बी रिलीजिंग ऑन 24th August. प्लीज गिव सजेशन एज मच एज पॉसिबल. दिस इज लुकिंग गुड बट द थिंग इज, ये सारा चीज़ अच्छा लग रहा है यार. बट एक बार देखो ना बाकी साइट्स कैसे बनाते हैं. देश विदेश है ना, देश विदेश का देखो उनका कैसा साइट है. ठीक है, देश विदेश एडवेंचर जो है, और बाकियों का देखो कैसा है. उसके बाद थोड़ा इंप्लीमेंट करो वहाँ से, क्योंकि उसका अच्छा है भाई. प्रोजेक्ट कौन सा है भाई, मैं दिखाता हूँ यार भावेश. प्रोजेक्ट कौन सा है, लेट मी शो दैट टू यू मैन. ठीक है, मैं दिखा रहा हूँ तुम लोगों को कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट है. फिट स्कोर. इसी को हम अभी क्या करेंगे, कलर पैलेट चेंज करेंगे. इसका देखो ग्रीन कलर पैलेट है, कलर पैलेट चेंज करेंगे, ऐप में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. और जल्दी से जल्दी एंड्रॉयड प्ले स्टोर का जो हमने लिया है ना ऑलरेडी, एक ऐप डाला है, दूसरा ऐप डाल के बस टेस्टिंग में रखेंगे इसको. अब जब जल्दी से जल्दी रिलीज़ करने की कोशिश करेंगे, बहुत टाइम हो गया. एंड्रॉयड ऐप कौन सा टेक स्टैक भाई. एंड्रॉयड ऐप डायरेक्ट नहीं बनाता मैं, क्या करता हूँ मैं, वेब ऐप बनाता हूँ. और ये देखो ये दिक्कत आ गई है, ये फिक्स करना पड़ेगा मुझे. ठीक है, तो पहले क्या करूँगा, ये जो दिक्कत आई है प्ले स्टोर प्ले कंसोल में, वी आर गोइंग टू फिक्स दैट. हेवन को जो हम लोड कर रहे थे, और इस प्रोजेक्ट पे आज काम करेंगे. इसका कलर पैलेट चेंज करेंगे, सही करेंगे. और जो हमारा पहला प्रोजेक्ट है, इसका जो ये दिक्कत आ रहा है ना अनरीड नोटिफिकेशन में, देखो अपडेट योर टारगेट एपीआई लेवल बाय ये, क्योंकि हमारा एंड्रॉयड वर्जन ओल्ड है जो हमने सेटअप किया है अपने एपीके में .abb फाइल जो बनाया है, राइट, उसे सही करेंगे हम. वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम एवरीवन, वेलकम. कैसे हो भाइयों. मैंने इमरजेंसी सर्विस भी डाली है भाई, देखा.
Okay,
देख लूंगा वो. ठीक है, थोड़ा.
So let's build our own SaaS or whatever. So let's see. Build cast. So basically your work is to fix the hierarchy of this whole and typography, whatever, etc. there is. as all the things on the build cast on the elements are on one line and it doesn't looks that great. And also let's see, as you can see the stream progress and the current objective ship one feature looks really bad. How can we fix this? And yeah, so let's make a prompt also first. How can you fix this UI first? So where it is there. So how how can we fix the UI UX? Ask me questions if needed. Your choice. So let's see what it is saying. What it is saying. The biggest problem is not spacing or color. It is state contraction and timer 00. The okay. This makes it okay. So make a prompt. So make a prompt to fix it. Okay, so what is the issue? As act as a senior product designer, UX architecture, interaction designer, and front-end engineer. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Fast controls and then um, this looks okay right now. Let's fix the UX and UI. Um, Hello. Is it fine? Let me check. Okay, I need to probably decrease the volume of this music. Let's decrease from here, I think. So it is here one. Let's set it 60. I think the probably the of course the prompt is finished, and let's use it and make the UI UX of our project. But as it is right now, not that great. So let's see Ronnie and like other live streamers stream until the work is completed.
कैसे हो भाइयों तुम लोग? So yeah, तो 5 वर्जन पब्लिश किया है ना. अब जो नेक्स्ट वर्जन पब्लिश करूंगा किसी भी एप्लीकेशन का, वो मैं कैपेसिटर से करूंगा, ठीक है. और यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी 2 वर्जन है, तो इसको ये जो एरर आया, वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन दिस.
So sorry guys, if you are not able to hear me, um, if you are not able to hear me, then yeah, my mic is really bad, so I need to fix it. Like I need to buy new one because of my mic, as it is integrated with the headphones. And you probably know that these guys uses like a external mic which is really great, which has like a really good quality. So that's why they even if they add a music in the background, they you can hear them really crisper and clear. But my mic is really bad, as I'm using Nvidia Broadcast also, to make sure that there's no background noises. um, yeah, that's why also I need to buy a new mic, and this one is really bad. This guy also has. And let's see what is this Hermes agent doing. Audit build cost flows, components data. Okay, refactor live consoles into standard focus mode. Consolidate workspace into task activity audience. Unify setup history repeat. Okay, let's see if there's new anyone here. Please like and subscribe, and also make sure comment it so I can know you. You are not a bot. You are a real kind person. Yeah. So let's see. I think I need to probably less the voice or decrease the voice. Okay. So this game, this looks AI. I know this looks AI. I can tell. I mean AI generated images, I think so. What is this? Gallery.move. Uh, let's work on framework. So what is completed right now? Let me check my usage, and it is probably really bad. It is 68. Not bad. But I think codex limits are pretty now are now not like limits means I got reset yesterday, and it is now I was using mostly Terra and Luna, but still it is bad. The limits are now bad. I think I have pro plan, so that's why still I don't know why. Maybe it's my issue. Hmm. How much work is done? Framework. What is completed? Let's use Luna. Okay, so it is now working finally. Finally. So standard focus ship. Hmm. Okay, how much work is done for what is completed? Hmm. Build cast. Let's try project title. Okay, draft. It is this draft, and let's see. Let's watch some YouTube also. In the meanwhile, while the Hermes agent is working on our project. Why these images are not loading? Why is this so buggy? I don't know. Let me restart. Sorry, I mean refresh. So it's still not loading. Hermes. Let's see reward. How much work is done? Hmm. Okay, let's see core production loop implemented. Foreground event, process inspection, deterministic role engine, privacy state machine, OBS scene controller, completed chasing configuration loaded strict and balanced modes, process allow block list, block title regex rules regex validation, duplicates rule, duplicate rule validation, conflicting allow block validation, restore delay validation, privacy shield, scene scene validation, schema save errors, schema rule engine, completed and tested, block process detection, case insensitive, case insensitive, process matching, block title rolling, block title overriding, allowed browser, framework processes ignoring, strict unknown window blocking, balanced unknown window allowance. What else is completed? Okay, OBS integration, privacy safe logging, documentation and scripts. So how can we run it? How to use it? Is there any UI right now? Let's check buildcast. Oh, this looks good now. This is finally looks decent now, but still I don't like the way this is. Create new session, plan, stream complete. Where is the option? Why did we remove all options from here? Why did you remove all the other sections which we already implemented? So Hermes is testing now, and build arena, main framework. I'm thinking to make now I'm thinking to make daily one video about any topic. Let's make right now maybe. Let's see. Current UI status. No UI exists right now. Framework 0.1. Headless Windows command line background process. No tray icon. Configure OBS. Open tools web server, and yeah, let's see. Okay. Now what is the next? What is now next? Let's ask AI. What is now next? Make a plan. Let's implement it. Let's implement it. Okay. Okay, so framework's code is largely implemented and statically verified. 33 test bar, Clippy pauses with warnings denied. Release build succeeds. Oh, enable framework acceptance plan. Create the scenes in OBS. Create these exact scene. Privacy shield scene. Add black or dark color scheme. Okay. Okay. So let's see. And tell me all the faces. Tell me all the faces. live on. Let me share my screen, my stream. So let's make a post about it. Make me a post. I'm at on live A3. Still working on communication and etc. Still early. Okay. Let's see now how good this post will be. Why are you opening the URL? Why do you need to open URL? It doesn't make any sense. You can extract my transcript or something. Description you can maybe, title also, but I don't know why. Let's see. Okay, let's see how much work is done on Buildcast. Let's see the UI. Not bad. 68% is okay. Still early, still learning, still working on communicating better. Come say hi. Okay. This is AI stop. T3 code is one of the best agent tech code tools right now. I genuinely believe we are about to leapfrog the others with this next update. The end-to-end vision is close to realize. I am so hyped to share this with you all. I am proud that we get to do it entirely in the open. Okay, Google has become the laughing stock of frontier AI. Gemini 3.6 Flash, their newest release, lands behind Kimi K3, GLM 5.2, Grok 4.5, and even Muspark. How can we pronounce it? Muspark or what it is? Let's see why it is opening this. Okay, let's make a prompt. I don't specifically like this. Let's explain it. Where it is. I don't like this and this. How can we improve this? Let me know. And what is this? Okay. Let's prompt it. Buildcast Hermes agent. I don't like this specifically. Most data centers in the US are all private and at full capacity anyway. So if they were to request some data center to host bro to host Kimi in the US, they did most likely to have to do what TikTok did and open a moonshot in the US, buy land and acquire rights to build their own data center. Okay. Uh, Tell me all the phases. Hmm. I don't like this. Make a prompt to fix it. Make a prompt to fix it. Hmm. Start.
पैंतालीस ठीक है. What about you man? What about you? Welcome to the stream. So मैंने और मेरे फ्रेंड ने मिलकर स्केल किया था इसको, बहुत सही हुआ था, ठीक था. ठीक है, इसमें हमारे 48 समथिंग 50,000 के आसपास खर्च हुए थे. जब तक 50,000 तब तक खर्च हुए थे जब तक हम इससे कुछ बियर नहीं कर पा रहे थे अपना कॉस्ट बाहर रहने का. बाहर रहना इससे 1 रुपया नहीं आ रहा था, तब तक हमारे पॉकेट से 50,000 लगे थे. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाट इट इज़. प्ले स्टोर पर अपलोड कर दिया. नहीं भाई, प्ले स्टोर पे अपलोड नहीं किया. सब भाई तुम लोग प्ले स्टोर पे वो ज्वाइन कर लो. मैं क्या करूँगा ना, डिस्कॉर्ड में डालूंगा एक ग्रुप का लिंक, जहाँ पे कि प्रोडक्ट टेस्टिंग के लिए मैं करूँगा यार. सबसे मेल लूँगा और उनके मेल यहाँ पे ऐड करूँगा एज अ टेस्टर. क्लोज टेस्टिंग में ऐड करूँगा. मैं दिखाता हूँ. टेस्ट एंड रिलीज है, टेस्टिंग में जाते हैं, क्लोज टेस्टिंग में जाते हैं.
Live measure. Please switch canvases to CNVS Arcade.
You're on the CNVS Arcade campus now. Everything.
Can you please focus, Marshall? And then can you just read to me what he's saying, please?
Okay. Let me pull up Marshall's window and then I'll read his recent response. Marshall's laying out a structured plan. He wants a single Canon set of reference images, about 22 of them, each mapped directly to a Three.js asset builder will build. That includes master shots, isolated asset sheets like portals, billboards, avatars, lanterns, wisps, and islets, plus material close-ups. He also wants a style Bible file with palette samples, lighting and geometry rules, camera angle for judging screenshots. He's ready to start with the avatar fix, then expand into the full Bible.
All right, can you please prompt Marshall to give me a breakdown of a list of the 22 images that we need here? Can we get a list going?
Marshall's on it. I've prompted him to draft a breakdown list of the 22 images so you can build from a clear starting set.
Okay, go to sleep. If you're not 6'5", you got a buzz cut. Oh my god. Oh, no, no.
Oh, we have informed that Moonshot AI distilled Anthropic's favor for the development of its K3 model. To do this, they developed a sophisticated internal platform to conduct large-scale distillation against US models, allowing them to quickly switch between multiple methods of. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Okay, so I am thinking to now end stream because I'm tired. Let's see, nobody's here, but I don't care that much. I just care that I'm live streaming daily. so I can make sure that I'm consistent and it's not bad. Like I have fun to live stream, not bad. Yeah, it's really good. I first, what are the benefits of live streaming? Yeah, first you can learn how to communicate with clients or whatever, whoever, or your business. Of course, client will have your business like yeah. Then there's like public. You will be in public and building stuff, so you will it will be work as a organic marketing also, but it is difficult to do that. Let's see what else is there. And I'm thinking to end live stream, so tomorrow I will be live streaming at this time, I think at the same time. um so if there's anybody, I'm going to end the live stream. And if you are still here, comment in the live stream. And also let me know that with what should I improve. Should I improve my communication or whatever except I think is my my bad. I will take it as I will take it as a criticism. And like I will work on it. I will try to work on it. Okay, bye.